Hey everybody, I hope you all are doing fantastic out there. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video of on the channel. Just a few things. Still waiting on getting my hip replaced. I'm waiting for my surgery appointment. Hopefully that'll be here pretty soon. And obviously still have the Z06. We did make a slight change in our family lineup. Wendy's 23 Blazer, we actually ended up selling it. Um, and so we got her a 26 Chevy Tahoe. She hasn't made a video or anything on it. She's had it few months. We got it back in December actually. Um, but it's awesome. I mean, we spec'd it out, special ordered it. Got the big Brembos, everything you can get on it. It's an RST heads-up display, fully loaded. She's loving it. Obviously, you know, I still driving the Z06 when I can, um, but I did add something new to the channel. So to our lineup, something I never thought I was going to get. Uh, I've been thinking a lot about my brother recently, and he was very big into Jeeps and Wranglers, and he had several Wranglers throughout his life. And I talked about getting a pickup with Wendy. Thought about getting a Silverado, but I don't know how much I'd really use a truck. Uh, now that we've got sold the house in Alabama, my parents' house, we just have this house over here, and I didn't see getting a truck. So thought about a Jeep, and so me and Wendy went and looked at some Jeeps this past week and picked one up. And let me introduce you guys to the new 26 Jeep Wrangler Moab 392. And this color is called Rain. So it is a metallic purple. I didn't realize how many, with Corvette, I mean, there's so many different types of mods and things you can do. It's crazy. With a Jeep, it's insane level. I mean, there's pretty much everything that you can think of. So I already did the window tinting, but my mats are dirty. I did the all-season mats, but it is already got almost 500, almost got the break-in miles on it. We've drove the heck out of it this past week. Just trying to get all the break-in miles in because I've got some mods coming that I'm gonna do, and so once I get those, I'll make a video about those. And still got can't use the windows yet because we just got the window tint done. But yeah, what can I say? I'm a Jeep owner now. I think it's actually competing with the Z06 as far as the worst gas mileage. this thing this thing drinks gas, but don't care. Didn't get it for that anyway. My main thought is this would be something that I like to do car shows, and once I get my hip replaced, I'm sure we'll do some car shows, and I figure I can drive the Corvette. Wendy can take this because she's already told me this is her Jeep. So, but the color, I absolutely love the color. I mean, I don't know, it's in the light, it's got so much metal, which it's in the evening right now, so you can't really see it, but it's got a lot of metal flake. Uh, I do have several mods though that I'm planning on doing. Uh, some subtle, some extreme. Uh, we'll see how everything goes. I do have a local shop that is going to work on some stuff for it, some powder coating and things like that. I actually like the wheels. I think I'm going to change the color up a little bit on that. Tires are actually really quiet on the road, but let's do a cold start just so you guys can get a cold start on it. I guess that would be appropriate. It's got a Hemi. Which that does have the sport exhaust on, so it's got the performance exhaust on. It's actually really quiet when you turn the performance exhaust off. But anyway, just wanted to kind of give you an update on the channel, and we'll see how this goes. I might be crazy, but I'm loving it so far. See you guys soon.